Musical Praise family, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back. We are going to jump right into the next lesson. So we've already covered the C scale, hands separately, 1 octave and 2 octaves. So the next progression that we are going to tackle today is playing the C scale, 1 octave and 2 octaves, but hands together. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be showing you on the keyboard. I just want to remind everybody, in terms of playing, your wrist should be well supported because the movement is going to be in your fingers. Your elbows shouldn't be flapping. Your wrist shouldn't be jumping up and down. Okay, so everything is going to be in our fingers. So you should be hitting the keys with the ball or the tip of each of your fingers, with the exception of your thumb. Your thumb is going to be on the side of your thumb, but other fingers, it's going to be the tip. So I just wanted to remind you of that. And so how we're going to proceed now is we'll go through one octave first, and I'll talk you through it. Then I'll play it ascending and descending without any talking, just so you can focus. And then we'll do the same for 2 octaves. So let's begin, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to have our finger 5 in our left hand and finger 1 in our right hand on C. And then I'll talk through as we need to put our third finger over or our thumb under as we proceed. Okay, so on C, then D, then E. Now in your right hand, your finger 1 needs to come underneath your third finger onto F, then G. In your left hand, your third finger needs to go over finger 1 onto A, then B, and then C. So we've ascended 1 octave up to C. So now we're going to descend, then B, A. In your left hand, finger 1 under finger 3 onto G, F. Then in your right hand, finger 3 over your finger 1 onto E, then D, then C. Okay, we'll do it ascending and descending without any talking. Is your hands together 1 octave. So before we begin 2 octaves, I'm going to recommend that you practice ascending and descending. At least if you can do 20 minutes a day, just break it up. 10 minutes in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon or in the evening, because the more you practice this, the better handle you'll have on completing your scale 1 octave. Okay, and of course the same thing is going to be for 2 octaves. So first, tackle the 1 octave, and when you have it doesn't have to be perfect, but when you have a good handle on it, then you can begin practicing hands together 2 octaves, which we're going to begin now. Okay, everybody ready? Again, we're going to start the same. So the first octave is going to be the same fingering up until you get to the second C, and that's where things will change. So let's begin. D, right hand, finger 1 under your finger 3 onto F. Left hand, finger 3 over finger 1 onto A. B. Okay, then in your right hand, finger 1 is going to go on to the C. So we've just completed the first octave, but we're going up to the second octave. Okay, and then in your left hand now, 4th finger over onto D. E, right hand, finger 1 under finger 3 onto F. Finger 3 now over your finger 1 onto A. Onto C. So we've just completed 2 octaves. Okay, I'm just going to fix my mic cord. Sorry about that. All right, now we're going to descend 2 octaves. So finger 1 on your left hand and finger 5 on your right hand, descending. This is the first of 2 octaves. B, A. Then in your left hand, finger 1 under finger 3, F, finger 3 over finger 1 in your right hand onto E, then D, okay, and then in your left hand, finger 1 under your 4th finger onto C, okay, and now we've just completed the first octave descending. In your right hand, finger 4 onto B. A, okay, in your left hand, finger 1 onto G. Okay, in your right hand from F, finger 3 over your finger 1 onto E, then D, then C. Okay, so that was 2 octaves, hands together for the C major scale. So now we're going to do it again without any talking. Just a quick note, the reason why we're practicing the C scale hands together 2 octaves, because once you can play 2 octaves, you can play 3 octaves, 4 octaves, 5 octaves, because the fingering stays the same. And again, we're practicing the major scale because most songs, or the majority of songs that you hear in the Western Hemisphere, are based off the major scale. So you definitely will be biting off a lot of theory and practical, learning the major scale first, but that's not to say we're not going to learn the minor scales and other scales, but this is just where we're going to begin, and this is why we're tackling the C major scale first, because it's a good place to start. So please enjoy, practice, and I look forward to meeting you again very soon.